Xbox Game Pass Ultimate now much cheaper with a free bonus. Xbox enthusiasts have a reason to celebrate. A fantastic offer on Game Pass Ultimate is now available, making gaming more affordable with an additional perk. Xbox Game Pass is already considered a great value, offering a diverse library of games for a monthly subscription fee, effectively saving money compared to purchasing games individually. Yet, even with this great value, gaming expenses can sometimes feel burdensome. Here's where this enticing deal comes into play. Currently, Amazon is offering a 3-month Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription for just £32.99, down from the usual £38. That's a 15% savings right there. But wait, there's more. This deal gets sweeter with the inclusion of EA Play at no extra cost. This bonus allows players to try new games for up to 10 hours, a great way to explore fresh titles without full commitment. This offer, coupled with Xbox's habit of releasing exclusive content, ensures that subscribers get an impressive return on their investment. In the ongoing console rivalry, Xbox Game Pass, with deals like this, seems to have an edge over PlayStation Plus, which, despite its own merits, sometimes falls short in its free game offerings. As of now, there's no set expiry date for this promotion, but quick action is recommended to secure this deal. For those seeking the most cost-effective way to access Game Pass, this opportunity shouldn't be missed. To top it off, Xbox fans have more reasons to be excited with Microsoft's recent unveiling of stunning new hardware designed to elevate the gaming experience. It's indeed an exceptional time to be an Xbox gamer.